Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be starting to restore this 1969 Honda CT70 Silver Tag. And it's all original, and it's a very low serial number, but it's in pretty rough shape. It looks really good on camera, but you can see like there's a lot of rust spots on the paint. The wheels are pretty rusty. The motor runs, but it just doesn't look as good. So we're going to be doing a full resto on it, and I just want to give you a tour of what it looked like before. And here is what it looks like. Missing the decal there. The engine looks pretty worn out. A lot of rust like here on the ears and stuff. But in overall good shape. It's got every part on it, which is really good. Under the seat, a little rough. A lot of rust there. This is all rusted out. Seat pan still here, the original Silver Tag seat pan. It's got the original stubbed exhaust on the end here. There's a dent here, but at least it's here, I guess. Cover is a little loose, but it's cool. Yeah, it's got everything. So we're gonna start tearing this whole bike apart, and then we'll continue from there. So yeah. Okay guys, so here's the bike all taken apart. I didn't really film a ton of me taking it apart because I filmed those other clips about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you what I did. So here's the two tires. The rims are still on it because that's going to be a whole nother thing to do. And then here's the front fork and the swing arm, and then here's the frame. The frame is in good shape, no dents, nothing like that. It's very rusty, obviously. I'm still going to take the wiring out and some wires and some cables and stuff, but nothing too much. But yeah, here's the route around. You can see the rust and stuff like that. The Silver Tag is in great shape, so that's good. This is what makes it the Silver Tag, so it's pretty awesome. And then here's a video of the engine. The engine is also in rough shape. It actually does run, but we're going to redo the whole top end to make it look nice. So here's what's going on here. We got the original carb still, which is awesome. We did run into one issue. The original Silver Tag exhaust pipe is rusted onto the bore, or not the bore, the head. So yeah, that's a big issue we're going to have to deal with. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. So we're going to keep on going, and yeah. So here's a couple other parts that I took off the bike. These are all just the other random parts and stuff. Here's the handlebars. Actually, this is really cool. The original Silver Tag horn that has the black backing on it, which is awesome. And then just the ignition coil, rear shocks. We're actually gonna get new ones of these because they're pretty far gone. Foot pegs, headlight bucket, the Silver Tag speedometer. It's pretty awesome. And then here's the hub and stuff, some other stuff like that. But yeah, and then there's all the parts. Thank you guys for watching. I will probably give you another update video after the bike is painted. That probably won't be another couple weeks to a month maybe. But this is just a video of me tearing it all down, and I'm really excited to continue with this project and see how it goes. Make sure to subscribe.